How to multiply your money with SaaS automation. What's up, everyone? James Jernigan here, and that's exactly what I want to show you today. How I've been able to turn SaaS, or software as a service, into tens of thousands of dollars of both affiliate commissions and sales of my own products using a simple tool like this. Now, before we go any further, I do have the exact steps here, and you can get started with this software for free at the link in the video description or in the comments, or you can just head straight to Funnels Forever. But before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Where else can you spend four figures and potentially make 5, 6, 7 figures worth of income from such a small investment? So like I said, if you're someone who wants to get started for free, you can do that using the link down below. But like anything, there is some risk involved, and if you want to actually make the big bucks, you might need to shell out a little bit of money to get started. But if you stick around till the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to do all of this for 6 months without having to pay a single cent. So let's go ahead and get started. Obviously, the first thing you need is software that can do the work for you. So like I said, check the description below this video or head to Funnels Forever to get the software to get started. So the next thing you're going to need is a link that makes you money, right? You're obviously going to need something to sell. So this is either your own product if you're selling a course or a checklist or some kind of digital product. And if you don't have anything to sell, this is where things get exciting, because this software here at funnelsforever.com will give you an affiliate link, which means you can just make money selling this software directly. So I want to show you how that works. We'll start out with the simple method, and if we look here at the steps here, we'll finish out the steps here. So the last thing you need is traffic, right? So we have something that makes us money, we need someone to buy it, so logically we need traffic, and that's where the short form content funnel comes in. So that's what I'm going to show you here, and you can use this to promote an affiliate link or your own product. It doesn't matter, but the basic idea is we are going to create short form content, right? Because that's all the rage now. TikTok, shorts, reels are really popular. So we're going to create some short form videos here. That's what this little drawing represents. We'll create maybe one of these each day. And then what we want to do is send this traffic to the link that makes us money, our affiliate link or the link to our products. So this is the link that makes us money. Now that's what most people do, is just send the traffic directly to their link. But the problem is a lot of that traffic is going to bounce, and these people aren't actually going to buy your product. So how do we fix that problem? Well, that's what I want to show you with the short form funnel. So here we have the money over here. This is what we're trying to get to, right? This is our link to our product or affiliate link. What we want to do is interrupt this process using an opt-in. So this is where somebody can put their email address in to maybe download something for free or learn your secret or join your mailing list, whatever it is, right? So you have a little description here. And by doing this, what happens is now when we create these videos, we send the traffic to this opt-in, then directly to the link that makes us money, whether this is our small business, our affiliate link, our course, whatever it is. But now what happens is we can send this person an email reminder every single day. And if we set this up in advance, this all happens on autopilot. So every day they're getting reminded to come check out our product, whatever that may be. And this all started from one short video that took us maybe a few seconds or a couple minutes to create. And now suddenly we've got our customer seeing our product multiple times here. So that's the simple way to do things. And you'll find that there is a lot you can do with this software, and that's how I've been able to use this software to multiply money. For example, I think when I grabbed this software, I think it was about $1,200, and so that's for the complete upgrade to the software. And I paid $1,200, but since then I've been able to make tens of thousands of dollars in both affiliate commissions as well as selling my own products. So what I want to show you next is the more complicated but more effective way of doing this, right? So that's how you can use this for affiliate marketing. But this software also lets you create your own sales pages, which means you can sell a low ticket product. You can create a sales page that sells something for maybe $1. And then once someone has bought that product, you can walk them through a funnel by basically creating another page that says, hey, if you liked that $1 product, well, here's a product for $10. And then if they buy that, you can send them to a page that sells a product for $100. And you get the idea. You can use this software to create literally whatever you want. You can create courses, you can create digital downloads, you can create these sales funnels, you can create automated email sequences that go out, right? So here we have a list of emails after they buy the dollar product, and this list of emails say, hey, come check out the $10 product, right? And then when they buy that, again, a list of emails saying, hey, we have more products for sale, come back and check it out. And you can use these tools to create a system that's as simple or as complicated as you want to sell your products. So I have tons of videos on my channel. If you want to know how to use the different tools inside this software, the website builder, the product builder, the email automation, the membership and course builder, the blog builder, any of that stuff, just look on my channel. I have tons of videos about this. So what I want to show you now, I told you, for those of you who stayed until the end, I would show you how to do this for 6 months without paying anything. Obviously, you can grab this software for free, but there's going to be some limitations. If you really want to unlock all of the features of this software, you will need to upgrade. So right now, the company is offering a lifetime upgrade of $2,997. Now, you might be thinking, well, that's a lot of money for software, but the thing is, this is a lifetime purchase, which means you can use this software for the rest of your life. And with what I'm going to show you next, I can show you how to get this and use it for 6 months before you even have to pay for it. So if you follow the steps that I've shown you here, and either create your own products to sell or just simply use it to send traffic to your affiliate link and sell the tool itself, you can make sales many times over like I did and earn tens of thousands of dollars before you've had to pay a single cent for this software. Now, this is only going to work for people in the United States, and you do have to have your house in order, but PayPal offers no interest if paid in full for 6 months on purchases of $99 or more. So if you check out using a PayPal credit card, which they'll let you sign up for, it doesn't cost anything extra. Just when you're going through the checkout here, just make sure to select PayPal and select PayPal credit. And then what that's going to let you do is grab this software, the full upgraded version of it, and use it for 6 months before you even have to pay PayPal back. So if you're smart about it, you can definitely use this to create your own products or to make money as an affiliate and then be in the green before you've had to even pay for anything. So I hope this helps. If it did, make sure to click the bright red subscribe button down below. Make sure to leave a comment on this video letting me know what you thought of it or what you want to learn next. And there is one more thing I want to show you here. If you really want to get serious about this stuff and you want to learn how to make your first $10,000 without even talking to anyone, check out my checklist at profitpassively.com. I've outlined the exact steps that I've used to turn short form content into tens of thousands of dollars in, like I said, both affiliate sales as well as sales of my own products. And I haven't had to make any phone calls. I haven't had to do any meetings. I haven't had to do services for anyone. It's literally just harvesting traffic, sending it to a link that makes me money, and I'm happy to show you how to do it. So I have a checklist you can grab at profitpassively.com. And other than that, I will see you on the next money making video.